Can you explain this mug, sir?
It has wieners on it.
Has it got wieners on it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You like wieners?
Yeah.
Sweet. I heard you got one yourself.
Yeah.
How big's the wiener?
Good morning, happy Monday, and happy President's Day, where we are opened. So everybody brought their cars in. So we had, just by my visual estimate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars dropped off this morning, all getting various services from wraps to tints to color change. We also have a new employee to train, and Alex has a camera in my face while I'm deeply distracted by everything else that's going on here because squirrel!
Joe is wrong. We have more than 10 drop-offs.
A lot of cars today. It's gonna be a very busy week. This is also on top of all the other cars we have in the shop.
I'm Justice and I'm having an anxiety attack. Like,
He has a very busy day, that's why.
I got a new car. Got a Mustang GT Premium.
Nice.
Yep.
Don't be like those other Mustangs, alright?
well, I'm not crashing.
Oh my god. Why is today so special?
Because I officially get my clothing after 60 days of OCDetailing.
We make him work naked.
What?
Because he's like, oh, why is today so special? And he's like, oh, I get my clothing. And so it's like, oh, we make him work naked here.
That's the initiation. So this Cybertruck is going to be going fire red. Fire red's a new color that this owner, they wanted to get that red color that was really similar to the ones that Tesla's already producing, but Cybertrucks unfortunately only come in steel. So now we're going to do that new cool red color.
And you know how Joe said we only had 7 drop-offs? Let's use our eyes and not our mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then one more. 10. We're insane.
This is like Cybertruck heaven. Maybe my personal version of hell. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I love the Cybertrucks, but there's so many and I don't know like how to keep track of all of them.
Justice, how's your morning going? We couldn't tell. Good morning, Hugo. How's your weekend, buddy?
It was great.
What are you doing now? Is that that giant, like, 12-foot piece of film that goes from the big C up here all the way back to the taillight, all the way back up there under the rocker, underneath the door that's hard to work on?
Right. As you can see in the photograph.
Yeah. Because we tuck it in. That's right. Okay, is this where I make an inappropriate joke about tucking it? No. Thanks, buddy. Hugo, check this out. This is the newest color from Ultrafit. It's called Fire Red. This is the first roll of this film in the world to ever be installed, that's ever going to be installed on anything. There was a goal in mind for this color. It was the coolest red that I know of right now. Oh, that is dope.
It's like wine red.
Yeah, wine red's a good description of it, but I also would think I would say the same thing. I'm not going to say what this red was based on. This is pretty cool. I can't wait to see it on this Cybertruck right here because it's going to be a world's first. This one's actually going to be a big hit because we've been looking for a darker red. Some of the red colored PPFs that are available, like we've used them before, they look great, but they're very bright and it's a little bit too much for some people because they don't want to be like pull me over red. This is a much deeper red, so I think it's going to be awesome. Can't wait to see it done.
What are you doing right now, Misa?
I'm checking in Alex's Cybertruck. We're going XP Fire Red. I think this is going to be the first Fire Red we've done. So it's going to be cool. And that one is going Phoenix Red. So Phoenix rises from the flames. Boom.
Did you just come up with that right now?
Yeah. Off the dome.
I feel like no matter how hard we try, it's like we always perpetually are behind for one reason or another. Like every time we're about to get caught up, like I have a running joke with Alex that I see the light, and it's like I'm talking about the end of the tunnel, and then a train drives through the tunnel and bricks fall on my end of the tunnel that I was about to get out of. So, but yeah, it's basically a lot of that. So you could call it a giant game of whack-a-mole and make sure the customers are happy.
Oh my, wait, just look.
I know, isn't that insane? And we thought we'd just let you see the assembly line of Cybertrucks that we got going on here. These were all dropped off today. So we're going to be seeing the whole color of the rainbow, so.
Wise, I think it's most important on windshields that are like, 2,000 plus. Because if you're having to replace a windshield once a year, you're paying $2,000. And you're like, well, if I could have just got Evo on there and replaced that when that got damaged for $500. So it ends up being like a better deal in the long run doing the Evo when you have a very expensive windshield, like a Model S. It's like a $2,400 windshield or something like that, you know?
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
because the customer seemed hesitant.
Yeah.
But with that,
Mhm.
it shows that it's worth the investment. So I'll just word it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm laughing that I'm on camera now because it's. We could have been talking about butt stuff, dude. Installing the windshield on this Model Y with 70% crystalline.
Sweet.
Just showed my new trainee how I shrink this film because crystalline is very complicated to shrink. It does not matter how many years of tinting experience you have, crystalline will humble you real fast.
Humble you.
Yeah. Yeah, it just doesn't react like other films do. Like once you add heat to it, it like won't move at all. Like it won't start shrinking. And then the second you pull the heat off of it, it starts doing crazy stuff.
So for viewers out there, is it scary when you're doing this part?
This
for
part?
you?
Well, I've done thousands of windshields now.
Thousands?
Thousands of windshields now.
Okay, so that's
So
why you're
it's-
not scared no more.
No, it doesn't. Nothing scares me anymore.
I'm sure a lot of people are like, oh my god.
Here we have a paint protection film that has never been seen before on a Cybertruck. When did he
It's been since last year.
Last
last
year
year that he's been waiting for not only choosing this film, but also waiting for its development and then the final production and having it actually come out and get delivered. And it's finally here.
And if you saw our email threads with Alex, shout out to you. A 10-page essay, just trying to find a right wrap, and we finally got it.
Yep, that's a level of commitment that is kind of rare to find, you know, in every aspect of the world. But here we are, and we're excited to do it.
Rub this.
It's the same color, right?
It is. It looks just.
So do we wrap this car in this?
We're gonna wrap. No, we're not
Or
this
did-
car. We're wrapping a Cybertruck.
Wait, which one came first, the chicken or the egg?
Now I'm confused.
Where does it end? Where does the paint start and the film end?
We're trying to get out of the detailing garage. Thank you, Silos.
You're scaring me, Silo.
Thanks, Silo.
OCDetailing. With this series, you're gonna see a lot of new faces. Remember, Alex would say, "This is a really nice job. We have high quality products, high quality services. But are you okay with jokes?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm pretty okay." He's like, "No, like insane jokes." And then the only thing that reassured Alex was, I used to have Discord.
Oh.
I really hope that you guys like this first episode.
So aggressive. Look at you, Anthony. All right, if anyone's interested, this is how Anthony treats a life. Yes.
We manhandled it. Hey, you're not gonna use this one right now, right? Yeah. Can you guide me?
Well, where's your homie Ryan at?
He's always leaving me like always. Left me once again.
I was looking for you. He's like, I need a guidance.
Lord and Savior is here.
You did it.
I did it.
Hey, it's Misa.
And Jerry,
What is your least favorite car to take photos of and why?
have to say the McLarens. They are beautiful, but I would have to squat and angle myself to make sure the picture captures those little curves and caves. I feel like a cave diver. That's what it is.
Do you like that red one or the one this one right here behind him?
Oh, okay. I like.
Phoenix red or fire red?
I'm assuming that's Phoenix.
Yeah.
I like the Phoenix.
You like
red
the
a
Phoenix
lot.
red?
Yeah, because it has more taste to it. It has like you look around and you're like, oh, you know, there's multiple colors.
I don't know, cause yeah, like I do like the color shift on this.
Okay.
But at the same time, that red color is really nice.
Fire red.
Fire red?
Yeah.
All right, fire red.
I love red colors.
Oh, and this car, for short people like me, they have an adjustment. So if this car, you know, for people who are taller, they can go to the high setting. And for people like me, we go to the low setting. So it's nice to know that Tesla thought of that, you know, for people like me.
I'd say the red one, to be honest. This one's nice, but to me it just looks more like root beer.
Oh.
Yeah. This one looks way better in my opinion.
Jovi, Lisa and I try not to be late. Run, 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 run.
Cars need wrapping. Windows need tinting.
Oh my goodness. We just walked in. We walked in.
Oh, Joe was right behind us too.
I know. I was like, what face for him?
Okay, so since we have 5 Cybertrucks behind us, I have now deemed this our cyber fence. This is quite capable of keeping anything we want on that side of the fence while allowing only things we want on this side of the fence. The look on Alex's face is to say, making me think I'm saying something wrong, but
What made you pick the car you got now?
My brother.
Your brother?
Yep.
So what does he have?
He has a 2017 Mustang GT Premium.
Damn, okay. Christian, how you doing?
Know when to stop drinking the night before you go back to work.
You drink last night?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
My stomach has been killing me all morning, dude.
Here at OCDetailing, during our 10-minute breaks, we do a tight battle. Tight battle with fans in the back, watching.
Put the pressure on.
Messed that up, didn't
No.
Yeah, right.
You know what's crazy? I had too many mistakes. For somebody who's like, I pride myself on my spelling. You got a lot of spelling errors.
Well, I know. It's because I'm like,
I was a third grade spelling.
wait. So okay. So how?